So the construction of Tesla Giga Berlin is progressing at a consistently rapid pace. The company and its German construction partners rely primarily on precast concrete elements for extremely high construction speeds. This allows building even faster than in China. Last year, Tesla broke records by completing the construction of its first Asian factory, Giga Shanghai, in just 1 year. However, the American company now wants to overcome itself and reduce this time when building Giga Berlin. 6 months ago, the site for the future factory was a pine plantation, and today we can already see many buildings starting to take shape. This speedy progress is due to the use of prefabricated building techniques, in addition to the construction process being highly organized, which allow the first phase of the facility to be set up quickly.